Hello world! Today I bring you the Flower Power Girl Power nails that are so perfect for the summer. This is so easy to do that you cannot possibly mess up this nail art.
I'm starting with a light base coat. You can use any light color. Personally though, I think light pink, white, and baby blue works the best here. Pick some of your favorite opaque bright nail polishes and create 5 petal flowers all over the nails. 5 petals look the best for flowers and is actually the easiest type of flowers that you can create with a dotting tool. No dotting tool? Not to worry. Use the end of a bobby pin. Works almost like a dotting tool. And you will create the perfect flowers also. When the petals are created, clean the dotting tool with acetone and use another color for the center of the flower. And that's basically the design. Just use different colors and do it on all of your fingers. A little bit time consuming, I know, but really easy. Requires absolutely no skills, but you do have to have a little patience. But I think it's really worth it because the bees might be attracted to your fingers too. What did the bees say to the flowers? Hello, honey. Sorry about the corny joke. I fast forward and all the nails are done. Before you apply your top coat, make sure to wait at least 15 minutes. And I'm really talking like 15 minutes. You have to make sure you wait. And that is actually the most important step. It's the top coat. So when you apply your top coat and you do it wrong, it's gonna just destroy your whole nails. So here I recommend Seche V Dry Fast Top Coat and apply a thick layer. You just want to glide on the top coat to avoid smearing. Seche is pretty good and most likely it will not smear your nails, and you're pretty much all done. These nails are just way too easy to do, and I hope you try it out, and thanks so much for watching.